You go to the gym to train your bicep. You lift, you push, you recover, and over time, your muscle gets stronger, bigger, and more responsive. Now, what if I tell you your penis works the same way? I'm Dr. Truong. I'm a board certified physician specializing in sexual health, and I've spent 25 years helping men reverse erectile dysfunction. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why a penis pump is not a gimmick and how you can use the Mediterranean diet and the penis pump to reverse your ED. So it is an exercise equipment for the most important muscle, your penis. And when you pair with the right fuel, the Mediterranean diet, you are doing something most men have never done. You are actually treating the root cause of ED, not just chasing a quick fix. So stay with me. This episode will change everything. So let me ask you something. If you stop going to the gym for 3 years, no weight, no movement, no resistance, what would happen to your muscle? They would be shrinkage. They would shrink. They would atrophy. They would lose the ability to respond the way they used to. Would the same thing happen to the penile tissue, specifically the corpus cavernosum? This is a spongy erectile tissue that fills with blood during an erection. 40 times more with blood. It is a smooth muscle. And like any muscle in the body, if it does not get regular blood flow, regular stimulation, regular use like an erection, it deteriorates. So here's what makes this magic. Men who have ED often avoid sexual activity because of frustration, maybe fear of failure, or maybe shame. And that avoidance actually accelerates the damage. The less blood flow that flow into the tissue, the more fibrous tissue, and it becomes atrophy, it becomes more stiff, harder to get an erection. The window for recovery gets smaller and smaller. This is not a moral issue. This is biology. So what do? You give that tissue what it needs. Take it to the gym. Take your penis to the gym. The vacuum erection device or the penis pump create a gentle control negative pressure around the penis. It draws blood into the erection chamber like this right here. So here is the penis pump. The penis goes into here. It creates a negative pressure by doing this because the negative pressure stimulates blood flow to the penis. It stretches the muscle. It fills it with oxygen. This is therapeutic. Think of it exactly like a physical therapist giving a patient control, resistance to rebuild injured muscles again, like after knee injury. In fact, urologists have been prescribing penis pump for decades, and it is actually FDA approved for erectile dysfunction, especially for prostate surgery. So we know this works, the science is solid, but here's what most men don't hear. You don't have to wait for surgery to benefit. You can start today. Regular use, 10 minutes, twice a day for penile rehab. You are teaching that tissue to stay healthy, stay responsive, and stay alive, and be ready for have an erection. So let me break down exactly what happens when you use the penis pump. First, you are driving blood to the tissue that needs it. Blood carries oxygen. Oxygen keeps smooth muscle cells alive and functional. The penis muscle has been oxygen deprived because it hasn't had an erection yet or even blood flow. So the penis pump here reverses that by flooding the tissue with oxygen on a regular basis. Second, you are stretching the smooth muscle. Just like a physical therapist stretches your shoulder when you go for PT, the pump gently stretches the penis muscle, preventing scar tissue that make erection weaker and even shrinkage over time. Third, you are signaling to your body that this tissue matters. This body, this organ, this penis is ruthlessly efficient. It sends resources to where it is in demand. So regular stimulation tells your vascular system, keep these blood vessels open, keep the nerve ending active. The tissue is in use, the tissue is alive. Now here's the important thing I want you to understand. The pump is one instrument in the orchestra. By itself, it is doing meaningful work, but an erection requires 6 systems working together. The brain, the emotion, the hormone, the nerve, the blood vessels, and the muscle. The pump directly addresses the blood vessels and the muscle system. To address All six, you need a comprehensive plan, and that is what we do in the Get Hard system in my office. But for today, let's talk about what you can pair this with to dramatically amplify its effect. Pump and Mediterranean diet, what you eat. Here's an analogy I want you to hold on to. You would never go to the gym every day and then eat fast food for every meal and expect real result. You know that nutrition is important. The workout creates the demand, the food deliver the raw material. The same is true for your penile rehab. The Mediterranean is not a trend. It is the most well-studied diet in the world for fixing heart issues. And remember, ED is a vascular problem. ED is related to heart. So an erection is fundamentally a blood flow problem. The same thing that clogs the artery in your heart also clogs the tiny blood vessels in your penis first. The penis arteries are narrower than the heart. It is about 1 to 2 millimeters. The heart's about 3 to 4 millimeters. The penis show damage sooner. This is why ED is one of the earliest warning signs of heart disease, often appearing 3 to 5 years before a heart attack. So when we say Mediterranean diet help ED, we are saying that it helped the exact biological system that ED is rooted in. So here's what it looks like in practice. Mediterranean diet is full of olive oil, which is your liquid gold. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in polyphenol and oleic acid. This reduces inflammation in the blood vessel wall, improve blood vessel function. This is the lining of your arteries, and it helps keep blood flowing freely. So swap the butter, drizzle the olive oil every single day. Number 2, fish, 2 to 3 times a week. Salmon, sardine, mackerel, tuna. Omega-3 fatty acid reduces triglyceride, which is the bad cholesterol, and lower blood pressure and reduces the artery stiffness. You are literally lubricating your vascular system from the inside out. Next, leafy greens, spinach, arugula, kale, high in dietary nitric oxide. Your body converts this into nitric oxide, the same signal that Viagra work chemically. You can eat your way to better blood flow, better erection. Nitric oxide is what tells the smooth muscle in the penis to relax so blood can rush in. Next, berry, dark fruit, blueberry, pomegranate, cherry, rich in flavonoids. And multiple studies have shown that men with the highest flavonoid intake have significant lower rate of ED. Blueberries are essential for nature vascular system support. Next is legume, lentil, chickpeas, black beans, high in arginine, which is the precursor for nitric oxide, but also high in fiber, which feeds the gut microbiome. And we now know that gut microbiome plays a direct role in testosterone production and systemic inflammation. So what to cut back on? Processed meat, refined sugar, alcohol, limit to 1 or 2 drinks a day, fried food. These are things that make your blood flow impaired, that spike your insulin, disrupt your hormones, and make the job of blood flow harder. Here is the way I want you to think about it. Every meal is either building better blood flow or blocking it. Every session with your penis pump is either training the healthy tissue or working against the body you have not healed properly. So when you do both together correctly, when you are pumping daily and eating the Mediterranean diet, you are the man at the gym who also sleep 8 hours and eat clean. Your results are going to be different from the guy who skips both. I want to tell you about Carl. Carl was 50 years old. He had prostate cancer surgery, dealt with ED for 5 years. Viagra doesn't work, Cialis doesn't work. His doctor gave him a medication and tell him to just live with it. And he said, maybe we should do a penile implant. Carl was not willing to accept that. He joined the Modern Man Club and started the Get Hard system on his own. He started using the penis pump as well as the Mediterranean diet and the Good Morning Wood smoothie. Within 6 weeks, he had his first morning erection in 5 years. And this is after prostate removal surgery. Within 3 months, he was having sex 3 times on a weekend. His girlfriend stayed. His confidence came back. He told me, I'm enjoying life again. Carl did not find a miracle. He found a plan that treated the biology and he followed it. He followed the Get Heart system. This is available to you too. So you can get the Get Heart system protocol and work with us in the Modern Man Club at noedman.com. And I want you to hear this clearly. You are not broken, you are not too old, and you are not far gone. Your erectile tissue is the living tissue. It responds to training, it responds to nutrition, it responds to oxygen and blood flow in the right input. Just like other muscles in your body. The penis pump is your gym equipment, the Mediterranean diet is your nutrition plan, consistently is your personal trainer. If you want the full program, the full comprehensive blood work, the stem cell, the shockwave, the Botox, and addresses all the 6 systems, go to the link down below, schedule a discovery call with us. And if you can go, join us at noedman.com to join the Modern Man Club, where we work together to get you out of ED so you can implement the penis pump, implement the Mediterranean diet to get going again. All right? So let me know what you think about this episode and share it with somebody you think will be benefit from this. And let me know what your thoughts are and what any question that you may have. I'll see you in the Modern Man Club at noedman.com. See you next episode. Okay, Modern Man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection.